Welcome to a new documentary. If it is the first time, I introduce myself. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I appreciate you decide to see this educational content, in which you will learn about the first, most complete and detailed map of the planet Mars, with high-resolution images and really relevant color, taken from Martian orbit by the United States Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and by the Chinese probe that has just posted stunning new photographs of the red planet. Let's start this new educational adventure together. From the perspective of an engineer, we start. The permanent observation and study of the planet Mars, from its orbit, has allowed the main space exploration agencies to accumulate valuable data and build amazing maps of the entire Martian surface. The first map released by the United States Space Agency, NASA, was this NASA map of Mars landing sites. This map of the red planet shows Jezero crater, home to NASA's newest rover. Also included are the places where all other successful NASA missions to Mars landed. More recently, NASA has just revealed, on June 23, 2022, how with the data from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter a color map was generated that includes details and revelations achieved for the first time in a map of the planet Mars, as we will see next, along with the high-definition photographs that China has already finished achieving of the entire surface of Mars. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. This map is historic. It is the first to cover a large part of the planet and reveals dozens of minerals found on its surface. Scientists from NASA and the China National Space Administration have managed to get a new look at the planet Mars, in NASA's case thanks to this multicolored 5.6 gigapixel map. Covering approximately 86% of the red planet's surface, the map reveals the distribution of dozens of key minerals. By looking at the distribution of minerals, scientists can better understand Mars's watery past and can prioritize which regions need to be studied further. The first parts of this map were released by NASA's Planetary Data System, thanks to NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which has been mapping minerals on the red planet for 16 years, with its compact reconnaissance imaging spectrometer for Mars. Collapsing this first map of the planet Mars with those features and valuable color-coded data. The yellow square indicates the Martian region that has been named Nili Fossi, which is highlighted in 6 views in this image. The different colors represent minerals on the Martian surface detected by the orbiter's advanced technology. Each color is a type of mineral or characteristic of the surface of the planet Mars. A historical map of great scientific value in space exploration. While China has already finished photographing the entire surface of Mars in high definition, with this fascinating result achieved by its modern Tianwen-1 orbiter, from which the Chinese National Space Administration announced that it has completed its scientific objectives and that they have obtained 1,040 gigabytes of data, including high-resolution images of all of Mars. This is a huge amount of information that, according to the Chinese Space Agency, they are still processing and will publish over the months. Starting with this group of incredible images that were published in the Chinese media, where the peculiar surface of the planet Mars is revealed, with its characteristic dunes of reddish-orange dust, its volcanoes and craters. They even show us the South Pole and the cliffs and ridges of the Valles Marineris. The orbiter also captured several images of the South Pole, one of the areas of greatest interest to scientists. Some studies claim that it hides underground deposits of frozen water ice and carbon dioxide, known as dry ice. Others, on the other hand, discard that theory and affirm that the findings could correspond to volcanic rock. The geographical features of the Valles Marineris canyons were not left out of these initial captures shared by the CNSA. We are looking at an area that stretches 4,000 kilometers from east to west. Its name is a tribute to NASA's Mariner 9 probe, which discovered it in the 1970s. The Tianwen-1 orbiter also captured Arabia Terra, a huge mountainous region located in the northern hemisphere of Mars and considered one of the oldest terrains on the planet. There, craters and erosion caused over thousands of years dominate the landscape. Additionally, a crater of approximately 91 kilometers was recorded. The capture shows the geomorphological characteristics of its edge, although unfortunately this image, unlike the previous ones, has not been shared in color. Due to the success of this mission, China is already preparing the Tianwen-3 mission, with which it hopes to bring samples of Martian soil to Earth in the year 2031. It is a very ambitious goal, since it is located 2 years before that the Euro-American Perseverance mission manages to bring samples to our planet. All of these current and future exploration efforts will contribute to further unraveling the mysteries of Mars, the planet that the world's leading exploration agencies aim to visit in the future. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.